Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can buy land on Next Earth. I'm also going to share with you how you can get started, how you can get your account set up and ready to go to actually buy land. And then I'm going to actually buy land and show you how to do it step by step. I hope this video helped you out. If you're wondering what Earth is, Next Earth, it's like a blockchain based virtual land ownership platform that is based on at a full scale. I'm not sure exactly how. You can find more details on the Discord. I will do a full review video of Next Earth and go into detail. I have talked to people on the Discord. You can talk to the actual owners on the Discord directly and everything like that. So now the first step is you need to actually sign up for it. You got to sign up an account. So if you go to the top right here, you can click on sign up, log in to sign up. Just click on that and it should bring you to a page like this. So make sure you click on this, log in, sign up. And it'll bring you to a page like this. You just want to click the sign up button, put in your details, put in your last name and everything like that. Once you register your account, you will get an email address. You just need to confirm your account and then you should be ready to go. And then once you've done that, once you've got your account, you should come back to the login screen and just press, put your details in there. I set up Authenticator. So just give me one moment. I will put this in. Alright, so the next step is now you need to have a Metamask wallet. And I'm going to share with you, you need to actually go download the Metamask wallet. Make sure you have it downloaded. Download now. Hit the download button. Install Metamask for your Chrome. So you now actually need to be on Smart Chain network. Alright, so now once you've got your wallet, you need to actually be on the Smart Chain network, which is exactly what I'm on here, as you can see. Alright, so now once you've connected your wallet, your Metamask wallet, once you've got your Metamask wallet, you need to actually be on the Smart Chain, which is exactly what I'm on here. So once you have your account signed in and everything, you just need to make sure you have Smart Chain. So how you actually do this, I'll just share with you how quickly to do this. You just go to this drop down here and you go to Custom RPC. You need to simply write down this information here. So you just would do it like this. So network name, Smart Chain. Then you just put in the new RPC URL, which is this one here. And then you put in the chain ID 56, and then you put in the symbol BNB. Then you would put in the HTTPS bscscan.com. I'm writing this in because I can't switch. So once you've done that, I just thought I'd show you just so you know. .org, bang, done. That's all you need to do. So just copy exactly what I've done here, and you should be 100% fine. Then you just would click save and you should have the network. And as you can see, I have Smart Chain right here already connected and it's exactly the same. So there you go. That was just a quick guide to help you if you don't know how to connect Smart Chain. So I'll leave a link for all this in the description below. I'll leave this website in the description below, or you can just copy directly what I just written down from this. So once you've done that, you can go back to this. You want to connect your wallet and you just click that button there. So all you would do is come here, click the wallet connect on the home page and connect your Smart Chain wallet up. So my wallet has already been connected, so it's all good already, it's already set up. So now the next step is you need to get some BNB into your wallet. So I personally use Binance because it's easy and cheap. So all I would do is go to whatever exchange you're on. You can use any exchange, but I'm on Binance. So the next step would be just to buy some crypto. So buy some BNB if you don't already have it. Now I personally recommend Binance, but I also use SwiftX or CoinSpot. It doesn't really matter, whatever your best interests are. Just get BNB and you should be fine. But if you want to follow me step by step, I'll go to Binance. I'll click, just because personally I would go deposit with Pay ID because there's no fees, but because of this video I'll just do credit card, debit card just to show you. This is instant, the other option is instant as well, but this is just to show you. So all I would do is minimum 25, get some BNB. So type in BNB and then I would just click that and there you have it. And then click continue. So I won't show you how to do this now, I've already bought it, but that's just how you get BNB into your account. So then I would just go to my actual account now. So just click the drop down here on the wallet and go to fiat and spot. So click fiat and spot and it should load up this page here. Alright, so once you've transferred the BNB, once you've bought the BNB on your account, now you need to transfer that to your actual Binance smart chain address, which is on your Metamask wallet that you just set up, that I showed you how to set up. So you come to here, you should be on the smart chain network that I showed you, that I've set up earlier. It should appear on this bar here if you added it already. If not, go back in the video and make sure to add it. So once you've added it, you just click on it and it'll take you to this place here. So all you need to do now is grab this address here. It should be it should be your account name, and then below it is your actual address. So you just click it and it should be copied, and then go on Binance to your wallet and fiat and spot wallet, which is where you can deposit and withdraw. So once you've clicked on that, it should load up here. Wait for it to load up, and then you should have your BNB already in here. You just want to click withdraw, and the address that I just got from my Metamask wallet, I'm just copying into here. So I'm just going to paste it. Automatically say smart chain. So if that's what it has to be on, smart chain, and then you just click on how much amount you want it. You can put in whatever amount, you can type it in, but I'm just going to withdraw it all. Then I'm going to click confirm, and now it's just going to ask me for details, like my security details, which is just something I set up in Binance that anyone can set up for my own security. So I will skip this part, but once I'm back, it should go to my Metamask wallet. Alright, so as you can see, it's processing. It should be in my account in a matter of minutes or so, depending on how long it might take, depending on how busy the network is. It shouldn't be that long. So depending on how long it takes to get into your wallet, it should appear into your wallet here. As you can see, I've just got it. So it should appear in your wallet right here. So now you just want to go back to Next Earth, and your wallet should be already connected. If not, just connect it here like I mentioned. It should be ready and set to go. So now you can just click buy land, and now you can just select wherever you like to buy land. You can select depending on satellite. You can do satellite streets, whatever you like to do here. So you could just select Australia if you want to select a country, or you can do an address as well. So you can do addresses, or you can just do like a capital territory. Whatever you like to do, country, capital territory, whatever you like to do. Find a place that you like. Most are pretty cheap still. If you do want to use my referral code, I will leave in the link in, I'll leave it in the description. It'll get you 5% off. My referral code will get you 5% off. So that's just a little bit of a bonus. So it'll give you 5% back, I think. So now, once you've figured out where you want to buy land, you just want to click on it, like I've showed you right here. Select how many tiles you want. So it shows how many tiles that I'm selecting. I've selected 48, and I just click that, and then it tells me how much it's going to cost me. It's going to cost me 10 BSUD. So I'm paying with BNB. As you can see, I've got the BNB in my wallet, and you just click buy now. Oh, I got to accept the terms and condition. Buy now. So you would put your promo code here. I'll just, hang on, sorry. I'll cancel that real quick. So I'll do it again. So I click here, how many I want. I'll go probably 45 to 50. 54 tiles seems to be a good mix to go with. Just click buy now, and this is where you'll put my promo code here, which I'll leave in the description below, and I'll put it on the screen as well. If you guys want to use it, you'll get 5% off. I haven't got one at the moment to use, but leave me a comment in the description of your referral code, and I'll use yours if I do purchase more land. And then I'll just click buy now, and it should go into my wallet, and you just click confirm. And then you have to wait for the transaction to process. So it will take a few minutes most of the time to process the transaction, but I'll come back as soon as it's been processed. Alright, so it has been processed successfully. As you can see, I own the land now. I'm just going to clear that. If you want to clear it as well, there's another tip for you. So that's exactly how you can buy land on Next Earth. And that's step-by-step guide. Hope you guys enjoyed the guide. I hope it helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the description below. I know it is a pretty seems like a little bit hard, but it's pretty easy if you follow step by step what I just showed you. If you have any questions, like I mentioned, you can leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, I also want to show you how you can find your land. So you just go to my land, and you should pop up in here once you have it. So it might take a little bit to actually get to confirm. So if you look here, the drop down, it says pending transactions. So this transaction is pending. So once it has confirmed, it will be in my land, or you'll get the BNB back if it doesn't, if it does cancel. So don't panic there. You can also check the transaction, if it's been through, if it's pending still, that way as well. Thank you for watching anyway, and I'll see you next time.